Hello Klasse 7 students. Today we are going to learn our Arbeitsbuch Lektion 3, die Klasse 7a. Let's start. Frage 1. Was macht Eva? So what Eva is doing? See the photo and write. Eva liest. Eva grüßt. To greet. Nummer 3. Eva spielt. Nummer 4. Eva fährt. Eva trinkt. Eva fragt. Eva geht. Eva denkt. Denken is to think. Now, in the second question, they have asked you to write the verb conjugation. Tun, to do. Einladen is to invite. Separable verb hai student. So, lada will come first and I will go at the end. And mögen is to like. So, here they have written ich to eresi, which you are supposed to write for einladen verb and for mögen verb. I have not written, but you are supposed to write down that in your Arbeitsheft. Now, accusative case related questions. Stellen Sie Fragen mit wer, was oder wenn. Fill in the blank. Make the questions with these three W-Frage. First one. Wer sind das? Who are they? Or who are those? Das sind meine Freunde. Those are my friends. Meine Freunde, nominative case, person. Wir schreiben einen Satz. Einen Satz, accusative thing hai. So, was schreibt ihr? If the question is wir, answer has to be in ihr or vice versa. Nummer 3. Sie ist Mona, nominative person. Where is sie? 4. Wir suchen ein Restaurant. Restaurant, accusative thing. Was sucht ihr? Nummer 5. Mag das Mädchen. He likes the girl. So das Mädchen, accusative person. When mag whom does he like? Last one. Der Lehrer is humorful. The teacher is funny. Nominative case, person. Where is humorful? Okay, some more are there. Ich rufe meine Tante an. I call my auntie. Auntie, accusative case, person. So when rufst du an? So if the answer is in ish, question has to be in du or capital Z. If you are using capital Z, convert rufst into rufen. Nummer 8. Sie kaufen die Bücher. Bücher, accusative thing. Was kaufen Sie? Ich bin's Heidi. I am Heidi. Nominative case, person. Wer bist du? 10. Wir laden unsere Freunde ein. Freunde, accusative person hai. So, when ladet ihr ein? Okay. Now, in question 4, what they are asking student? Schreiben Sie die Sätze richtig. Write the sentence correctly. They have given the words not in order. You have to order it. See the first one. Heute lädt seine Freunde ein. Today he is inviting his friend. Einladen, separable verb, student. Second one. Wir bekommen lange Ferien im Sommer. We are getting the long vacation in summer. Nummer 3. Liest du gern einen Roman? Do you like to read a novel? So, as there is a question mark and this is a yes-no question, so your verb comes at first place. Next, again that is a question, but this is a WH question. So, WH word comes first. Was tut dein Freund heute Abend? What your friend is doing today evening. Nummer 4. Herr Müller diktiert die Sätze und wiederholt die Regel. Mr. Müller dictates the sentences and he repeats the rules. So there the verb is at second place. Now students, yes, some more questions are remaining. Now, Now, in question 5, they have asked us was is richtig. So, the correct article you have to find, students. I have just tick marked here, but you are supposed to write the correct sentence down. See, first one, Ich habe einen Kuli, accusative case है. Aber mein Kuli is kaputt, but my pen is damaged, nominative case. Second, wo wohnt der Lehrer, where does the teacher is living. So, der Lehrer, nominative case है. Nummer 3, kennt ihr hier einen Arzt? Do you know a doctor here? Nummer 4, wir suchen ein Kino. We are searching for a cinema hall. So, Kino is das Kino, accusative case. Nummer 5, wo liegt der Papierkorb? Papierkorb is a nominative case. So, that's why der Korb, Papierkorb. Where is the dustbin? Nummer 6, ich frage den Lehrer. I am asking to the teacher. Accusative case. Mein Vater sucht. My father, nominative case. Sucht seinen Wagen, his car. Accusative case. Der Wagen. State here, mein Hund, is my dog standing here? Hund, der Hund hai. So students, you must know, as I told earlier also, all the nouns, original article you must know. Ich sehe keinen Hund. No, I am not seeing any dog here. Hund, accusative case. Nummer 9, ich besuche gern meine Tante. Meine Tante, accusative female hai. Nummer 10, gibt es hier einen Tempel? Is there any temple here? So student, gibt es is a accusative verb. Is there any temple? Accusative masculine. So this was our question 5. Now let's solve question 6. Wortstellungen, the position of the verbs. So again they have asked you to write the verb at second place. See. Gleich fängt das Fußballspiel an. Anfangen, separable verb hai. So soon the football game is gonna start. Second one, bis 4 Uhr wartet bestimmt. Definitely he will wait till 4 o'clock. Third one, Tennis spiele ich jetzt. Now I am playing tennis. Verb, second place. Jeden Morgen 6 Uhr steht sie auf. Aufstehen, separable verb hai. Every morning at 6 o'clock she wakes up. So here stehen is second place. Every morning 6 o'clock is at the first place. Nummer 4. Pünktlich fährt der Zug ab. Abfahren is to depart. On the exact time the train is gonna depart. Nummer 6. Am Abend diskutieren wir viel. In the evening we are going to discuss a lot. Nummer 7. Nur 10 Minuten brauchen wir doch. So we are going to need some more 10 minutes. Nummer 8. Sofort bestell die Verkäuferin. Farin is remaining student. Just make it Farin. Das Wörterbuch. Immediately the saleswoman is going to order for a dictionary. So that was our question 6. Now let's do the question 7, which is the last question. Welche Antwort passt? First one, hast du die Hausaufgaben? Do you have the homework? Nein, ich nicht. No, I'm not having it. Second one, kaufst du den Kuli? Are you going to buy the Kuli? Ja, ich brauche einen Kuli. Yes, I need a pen. Nummer 3, trinkst du eine Cola? Lieber eine Limonade. I will prefer to have a lemonade. Nummer 4. Is that thine house? Is that your home? Ja, ich wohne hier. Yes, I live here. Nummer 5. Rufst du Peter an? Are you going to call Peter? Ja, am Abend. Yes, in the evening. Frage 6. Wenn suchst du? Whom do you search? Mein Kind. My child. Nummer 7. Was isst du gern? What do you like to eat? Pommes frites, French fries. Now you will say, why not einen pizza? Pizza is the pizza, student. Okay, so einen is wrong. Nummer 8. Kennst du Erich? Do you know Erich? Question is when, because whom do you know? Accusative person. Was bringt er mit? What does he take along with him? Sein Buch, his book. Article is das, so sein is correct. Nummer 10. Was siehst du an? What are you watching? So, mein Bild, my photo. Film, their film है, accusative में it has to be einen, so that's why it's wrong. And meine Schwester, you can't see or just view your sister. Okay, so that is also wrong. Ansehen is to view or to just inspect something. So this was our Arbeitsbuch, student, from Lection 3. We will meet in our next video. Till then, choose.